So good morning, my dear students. Today I'm going to teach you narrations in detail. Okay. So look at the blackboard, listen all the rules very carefully. Very first rule I'm going to explain. Okay. First rule, that is of present indefinite tense. Present indefinite will change into what? Yes, if in direct speech present indefinite is given, and when we will change into indirect speech, so present indefinite will change into past indefinite tense. My voice is properly audible to you? Tell me. Show me thumbs up. Yes. So first rule is that present indefinite will change into past indefinite. So what is the rule of present indefinite tense? Type in chat box. What is the rule of present indefinite tense? Yes, first form, or you can say first form plus s or es is used in present indefinite tense. Okay, this boy, you get up and go there. Go in that line. Hurry up. And this present indefinite will change into past, and present tense will change into past tense. Am I clear to you? So this rule is applicable when reported verb is given in past. For example, he said to me, I go there. I go to school. So said to will change into told. So the first rule that you have to keep in your mind, that said to will change into told, and in place of comma, inverted comma, what will come? What will come in place of comma, inverted comma? That. He told to me, I go to school. He told to me, he. I will change into he. This rule also I'm going to tell you in detail, that I will change into he. So he told me that he. Go is a first form. So first form will change into. First form will change into, yes, you tell me. First form will change into what? His mind is somewhere else. First form will change into what? Your name is Prabnoor Singh. So Prabnoor Singh, tell me first form will change into what? See. Prabnoor Singh, tell me first form will change into what? Second form. So go will become what? Go will become? What will be the second form of go? Prabnoor, tell me what will be the second form of go? You don't know the second form of go? Keep your mask down. Now speak. What is the second form of go? Gone. What will be the second form of go? You come here, sit here. You are not you are physically present, but mentally you are not present. What are you doing in class? Packing your belongings, etc. Why are you not looking at the blackboard? What is going in the class? What will be the second form of go? So he went to school. This inverted comma will be omitted. So he told me that he went to school. Students face problem that how to change this subject. So here I'm going to explain that how to change these subjects. See, written this? You just write down this example. Afterwards, I'll move forward and I will be telling you something, that how to change subject and object. See, when any of the direct speech is given to you, you keep this thing in your mind that this is called subject. And this is called, to whom sentence is being spoken, that is called the person who speaks, that is a subject, and to whom the sentence is spoken, that person is known as object. Okay, and here this subject, this is also subject. Now this will change. These both will not change. These both will remain same, because we will write down same. He told me. Said to will change into told, and he will remain same and me will remain same, but we are supposed to change this. So when we have to change this, you have to keep one rule in your mind, very simple rule. You write down in your notebooks also. The rule is SON. The rule is SON. What is that rule of SON? First person changes according to subject. Second person changes according to object. And third person, no change. This rule you keep in your mind. First person changes according to first person. See if here first person is given, so it will change according to subject. And if second person is given, it will be changed into object. And if third person is given, there will be no change. But you will say, ma'am, what is first person? What is second person? What is third person? So you should know these things also. So what is first person? I'm going to tell you. So first person is I. I is a first person. Second person is you. I and we comes in the category of first person. You and your comes in the category of, see, I, it is a first person. You is a second person. And third person is he, she. Okay? He, she, it, they. All these come into the category of third person. Now here I is written. So I is a, so what rule I have told you? First person will change according to, so I will change according to he. So I will become what? He. If I write down here we, then I will, first person will change according to subject. So here if I say first person changes according to subject, so here I will become we. If I write down she here, so I will change according to, I will become, pata hi nahi, we don't know what is going in the class. If she is given, so I will become, now you keep your silence. You tell me. If I write down here, they said to me, I go to school. I will change according to, keep your mask down. I will change according to, I is what? So first person will change according to subject. First person will change according to subject. So I will become what? I will become what here? If I speak this line, they said to me, I go to school. I will become. Your name is Satvik. Satvik doesn't know that I will change into. I will change into they. I'm here telling first person will change according to subject. First person will change according to. तो सब्जेक्ट क्या है यहाँ पे? तो आई किस में चेंज होना है? ये दिमाग में कैसे डालूं मैं? How should I insert it in your mind? If you're looking here and there and out of window. Sit down, take rest. Take rest. If you don't know how to change this, how will you do narrations? And these narrations are going to be repeated in your next class also. 8th, 9th, 10th. Same rules are going to be followed. That's I'm becoming strict with you, but you people are least bothered. You don't know what is going in the class. You are no, if you don't participate, you can't learn. But whenever I ask you, this will change into what? Participate in that. Tell me with confidence, yes, ma'am, I will change into they, because rule is written in front of you. सुनना ही नहीं है, ध्यान ही कहीं और है. Again, I'm telling you, if first person is given, it will change according to subject. If second person is given, it will change according to object. And if third person is given, it will change. It will not change. S for subject, O for S for subject, O for object, and N for no change. So what is first person? I and we. Second person, you and your. Third person, he, she, it and they. Simply keep this table in your mind. SON 1, 2, 3. You can't learn it? Tell me. It is easy to learn or it is difficult to learn for you? So still you are not responding in class. For example, he said to me, I love my nation. So here he is what? He is subject here. He is, and me is object. He here is a, because this person is talking. This is subject. To whom he is talking, that is object. And here, what is that? It is again subject. And we are supposed to change this or this. We are supposed to change. So I will change according to. So here I will become he. But if I write down you here, then I will change according to you. So what will become? I will change into, you said to me, I love my nation. You said to me, I love my nation. You told me that. कैसे आपने I को you में change किया? आपने बोला you said to me. It means you told me that. Here I will become what? I will become. कैसे पता किया I will become you? Because I is which person? And first person changes according to. और यहाँ पे subject क्या है? So here I will change into, clear? Now you tell me. Nobody will speak now, only one. You tell me. Now change it. She said to me, I love my nation. Okay, he is saying, she told me that she, love will change into second form. What will be the love second form? Love second form will be second form of love will be Prabhasharan, what will be the second form of love? Speak loudly. Speak loudly. What will be the second form of love? What will be the second form of love? Okay, second form of love will be loves. So she loved. So here my will change into, because she is written, so she loved her nation. She loved her nation. So this is the way to do this sentence. She told me that she loved her nation. First person will change according to, first person will change into, sorry, verb first form will change into verb second form. Go will change into went. Love will change into loved. So here I is changed into she. So my will become, look at all the rules very, very carefully. Revise it thoroughly. Only then I will move further. Otherwise, I'm not going to move further. If you don't know the second form of go and love, how will you do narrations? Right in front of you, it is written first person is I and we, second person is you and your, third person is he, she, it. First person changes according to subject, second person according to object, third person no change. What is subject object? This is subject, this is object. We do not change this. What do we change? We change speech. We change speech. Why so? Because this speech is given in direct speech and we have to change into indirect speech. So when we change direct speech into indirect speech, so I will become she, my will become her, and these subjects will change according to subject or object. If first person is given here, so it will change according to subject. Suppose here second person is given. Suppose here you is given. So you will change into, tell me, you is which subject? You is which person? You is a second person. So second person will change according to, now this arrow will not become like this because you is a second person and second person will change according to, so you will change according to, you will change according to me. You is which person? Second person will change according to object. So here you, now you will not speak. You tell me. If I'm telling you, you will change according to me. So if I speak, she said to me, you love your nation. So here you is a second person. So second person will change according to object. So here you will change into what? Now sentence is, she said to me, you love your nation. How will you change this? She said to me, tell me. Suppose this question is given, she said to me. Now start changing. What should I write down here? She. And said to me change into, tell me, told. And me will remain same. And comma inverted comma will become that. Comma inverted comma will become that. So she told me that. Now you will change according to me. Why? Because you is a second person. You is a second person, changes according to object. अब object का क्या है यहाँ पे? Me. So she told me that you will change into me. यहाँ पे me सही लग रहा है, लगा के क्या बनेगा me की जगह? मैंने ये बोला है कि सेकेंड पर्सन विल चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू ऑब्जेक्ट, तो यू विल चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. ये समझ आ गया कि यू विल चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. अब जब मी के अकॉर्डिंग चेंज होना तो यहाँ पे मी ही लिख दूंगी. यूज योर कॉमन सेंस. मी की जगह यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे? मी किसके लिए यूज होता है? अपने लिए. तो मैं अपने लिए क्या यूज करूंगी? कि मी लव माई नेशन. क्या बोलूंगी? I loved. Your will change according to I. So what will come here? What will come here? She told me that I loved my nation. बैठो जी. Now you can judge your level, how much narrations you know. She told me that I loved my nation. Clear? Now this rule is clear. Whenever this subject object comes, do not get confused. This subject and this object will be written as it is. And what we are supposed to change? We are supposed to change persons. And persons are written in direct speech. And this direct speech is to be changed into indirect speech. If in direct speech, first person is given, I and we, it will change according to subject. मतलब यहाँ पे अगर I या we होता तो मैंने arrow कैसे बनाना था? According to subject. पर अगर यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है you or your, then I will change according to this object. और अगर यहाँ पे होता he या she या it, then there was a need to make this arrow? No. फिर तो change ही नहीं होना था. It will be written as it is. जो he she it था उसको as it is ही लिख देना था, क्योंकि मैं कह रही हूँ कि he she it जब थर्ड पर्सन आ गया then it will not change. तो तब ये एरोज नहीं बनाने. ये एरोज मैं क्यों बना रही हूँ? क्योंकि अगर यहाँ पे फर्स्ट पर्सन है तो मैंने सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग चेंज करना है, और अगर सेकंड पर्सन है तो मैंने ऑब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग चेंज करना है. लेकिन यहाँ पे अगर थर्ड पर्सन है तो इट विल नॉट चेंज. देन इट विल नॉट चेंज. देन इट विल नॉट चेंज. if third person is given. Am I clear? So you look at that rule again carefully. Only then I will move further if this concept is clear to you. Rule first, I have told you that present indefinite will change into past indefinite. Now rule second is, look at the blackboard. Don't look outside. Rule second is that present continuous is given. What is the recognition of present continuous? What do we use in present continuous? Continuous means action is still going on. Yes, very good. Your name is Ashima? Good, very good. So present continuous means is, am, are, verb first form plus ing. So when present continuous tense is given, is, am, are, verb first form plus ing, and we have to change direct speech into indirect speech, then this present continuous will change into past continuous. So what will be the rule? Is, am, are will change into was, were. Was, were plus verb first form plus ing. Is, am, are will change into was, were plus verb first form plus ing. Clear? For example, she said to me, I am teaching you. She said to me, I am teaching you. Now, Satvik, stand up. Tell me. You speak, I will write down. Which person is this? First person will change according to what is subject. So here, what rule is given? Am. So is, am, are will change into was, were. So with she, we will be writing was or were. She was teaching. Now rule is clear. That's why I was shouting in the class. I was so strict with you so that this rule should straight away go into your mind, because it is your base. If you know these rules, only then you will be able to do narrations in class 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. If these rules are clear to you. But if these rules are not clear to you, you can't learn in next classes also. Because no teacher will teach you from the beginning, from the scratch. They will move further. Even I also. Because in 8th, there are other rules, imperative, exclamatory, question form. These are the simple one. So simple one should be clear in your mind. Okay, now the bell has gone. Go through this lecture again and again in order to understand the concept of narration. Clear? It is for your benefit, beta. If I scold you, it is only for your benefit. I am your teacher. So I want that my students should be well versed in English. Clear? Okay, students. Thank you and have a nice day.